What's up, guys? Oh shit. Today is officially the first day of Hurricane Matthew. Shit's wild, man. Yeah, it doesn't seem that bad, all honesty, but you know, nothing really bad is happening so far. But I have a lake. It's turned into a lake now. Supposedly it's supposed to like turn up in a few hours, and we're gonna do some stuff in this hurricane, you know. It's gonna be real. So, you know, we're gonna do some hurricane stuff today. Hopefully it gets worse, so it'll be way better when it looks up. So, let's get into it. Now, if you're wondering what's on this man's upper lip, yes, it's a soon-to-be mustache that I will shave. This is the coolest mustache I've ever had. It's not even there yet. It's not even there yet, but it will be. And I'll end up waking up. Okay. Okay, Matthew, where you at? Hit me up.
Please. Please. Oh shit, that grass is flying though. Damn. Damn, Daniel.
Well, y'all didn't know that I was a star-studded guitar player.
Matthew! Come to me! The God! Matthew! Holy crap. Welcome to Ball Flip Trick Shot. Trick Shot! Welcome, Trick Shot! Welcome, Smerling Schlickschnack! Name is Nair, is Nair! Oh, shit. Did you get that? Yeah. I don't know what. The roof into the car.
Damn.
Maybe because it. Yay! Did it last? Welcome! So we are in the midst of the tornado hurricane. It's supposed to be going crazy. The winds are super strong. Holy it's crazy. But we have Billy Joe down in the Congo who's going to be talking for us. Hurricane Matthew has affected everything. This water is 3 feet deep. This water's 3 feet deep. There's no animals in this water. Well, all I can say is that Hurricane Matthew is here, and he's here to eat you. Back to you. Yes, I'm back. And more news has come in. The roads are shut down. It's a bit wild here. Here in Matthew, it's going wild here. Here in Matthew, It's amazing how much wind is here in Claremont. Thank you for tuning in to Fox News.
You know, I haven't seen a lot of debris recently, but it was a couple of hours ago that hold on. All right. Sorry about that. Wow, that was a heck of a gust.
Real. It's amazing.
I know.
They're like, who really gonna believe? Like, this is like a real hurricane. Like, come on, really? You think a hurricane's gonna...
It's pity. It's pity.
This is ridiculous.